to share with you all. The man had tears in his eyes, and before I could ask anything, he disappeared, saying, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. So here's what he wanted to share. Be the change you wish to see in the world. I did say these words out of the clear blue sky. I spoke by experience because I always knew that I would see the love of my life evolving, progressing, and blossoming someday. I would see it flourishing significantly and remarkably. I would see the India of my dreams. Good morning to each and every proud Indian whom I'm thankful to from the bottom of my heart for bringing my dream into reality. Today, after 76 years of independence, when I look at India, I go spellbound. It gives me immense happiness to see my love growing. From the technological advancements to the space exploration, from the education revolutions to the healthcare revolutions, we have made an impact. India's presence on Moon on Chandrayaan-3 has proved that dreaming for the sky is achievable and not impossible. Today, when I see the Indian flag swaying on the moon, my heart swells with pride that I belong to a nation which comprises of people who are capable and determined to put their country on the world map. We are super strong geopolitically. We own one of the strongest military forces, and I'm so grateful to see that the country once craved to serve its own citizens has proved to be the food bowl for the rest of the world. I'm super proud of the Indians running the multinational companies all across the globe. Mr. Sundar Pichai, the Yaki Doodle at Google, Sir Satya Nadella, the man in craft at Microsoft, Miss Lena Nair at a French luxury house Chanel, Parag Agarwal at Twitter, Irvin Krishna at IBM, and the list goes endless. I feel overjoyed to see the women ovation in my country, where females have left no stone unturned to fine-tune their abilities to prove themselves in the world. From entrepreneurship to the Olympic fields, they are nailed in every sphere. If the coming hands are in the hands of such ambitious women, trust me, India's in the safest hands and no one can stop it being the next superpower. What more do I want? You have all bestowed me with more than what I've desired for India. Thank you for the most wonderful birthday gift ever. Now I think I've attained salvation and I would rest in peace. Hey Ra. Oh, now I know why he was in tears. He was willing happy tears to see his dreams come true. Thank you, Mahatma. Had you not been there, we too wouldn't have been seeing the India of your dreams. Jai Hind.